All right, hey there, viewers. So I got a 2014 CRV with about 250,000 kilometers. So I just want to show you a pretty common oil leak on these CRVs. You'll probably notice, well, I did a lot of cleaning already, but it also likes to run oil into this plate here, and it collects oil inside, and it also soaks up your skid plate, and it deforms it, right? So cleaning all that up. I gotta do more cleaning once I put the new gasket in, but just to show you a very common oil leak. This is the oil filter housing. You can see on the back. This is where your oil filter attaches to, right? It's only held in by 3 bolts. Two gaskets, one's for the inlet and one's for the outlet, right? And as you can see, it always runs oil along this seam of the oil pan. It also makes it look like your half shaft is leaking, and then over here, part of your oil pan here, but it's not the oil pan. Usually, it's because these O-rings in here gets hard and dry. Look how hard it is. There, I'll show you. I'll peel one off. It's flat and it's hard. Yeah, that's one of them. You can see where they trickle down over here when they leak. This one. Yeah, so they're hard. See? So these are the 2 gaskets. There's the part number because people like to ask for part numbers, but I always tell them just make sure you get the right part with your VIN number, because sometimes things are different, right? They might use a different housing, but yeah, not too hard to do. It's just normal, you know, rubber getting hard over time, especially when you're 11. This is an 11-year-old vehicle, 2014, with 250,000 kilometers on it. You know, rubber gets dry and hard over time, and you know they eventually leak. So yeah, but if you want to do it yourself, it's pretty simple. 3 bolts. And you got to remove this mount so you can get a ratchet in there, or not a ratchet, but one of these wrenches in there to break those 12mm bolts off. So yeah, anyways, other than that, I hope you guys find this video helpful, you know, in replacing your gaskets because they're leaking. If you notice when you're doing your oil change and they're leaking, yeah, I still gotta clean out all the stuff out of this plate, because I did spray it down to get rid of the majority of the oil, and then I gotta clean off the skid plate over there. And yeah, I'll probably have to remove this plate to get whatever oil's in here too. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.